Hello, what's up? My name is Annie. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily vlogs. Yeah, today was a little bit easier. Trying to do some easy vlogs, basically cooking some food and doing some house cleaning. I started with roasting my chicken. We are putting it in an oven to roast it after washing it with salt and vinegar, and then roasted it for a little while. Prep my ingredients. I basically boiled everything, no frying, no nothing, just making sure everything is organic. And then that was me trying to chop the carrots and all that. Again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to a daily vlog of my life. Just simple vlog. Trying to develop myself and eating healthy, encouraging healthy habits. That's the number one thing. Yeah, that was me putting the chicken in the pan after roasting it for a while. I don't know how long it was, but it was for a while. To take off, I don't know what is to take off. I don't know what exactly to take off, but yeah, that's how we do it in my country. If you're asking where I come from, I'm Ugandan. I come from Uganda, on the eastern side of Africa, East Africa side. Yeah, that was me putting water after putting in my ingredients. I put in water. That was pepper, just to spice it up. Yeah, just to spice it up a little bit. And then putting the tomatoes. Yeah, it looks horrible right now, but trust me, that's the best thing. It was so yummy. Yeah, that was me adding a little bit of water again, just to make sure everything is soaked in well, and covered it up for it to boil. Yeah, boom boom boom, that was it. Was boiling, then I continued to watch it, making sure that yes, it's really boiling well. Test the salt, to check whether everything is really good, and then added more salt in it. Yep. And then covered it for it to boil more and get the texture well. And then proceeded to do my why do I say laundry? Proceeded to do dishes. I hate doing dishes. Oh my god, that's the worst thing I can ever do. I just do it because I want my kitchen to look nice. If it wasn't for that, that's not my thing. I hate it so bad. I don't know whether I'm the only person that hates doing dishes. But yeah, that was me taking off the dishes that I did some 2 days ago. And then do another one. Yeah, that was me trying to put everything back to its normal state. Yeah. So, again, if you're new to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe for new vlogs, I would say new vlogs and new videos coming up every day. Yeah, finally did my dishes, which took me a little while. Recording this video gave me a hard time because I wasn't in the mood of doing the dishes, first of all. I feel like I was forced. It reminded me of how I used to stay with my parents, and they would command you to do certain things, which really trained us. But then I never used to like doing some house chores. But However, I'm glad I learned it, and yeah, here I am trying to imply the skills that I learned. Yeah, I was so happy knowing that my dishes are done. Yeah, trying to get done with the day because I I did this because I didn't want to leave nothing behind that is dirty, because the following day, which is tomorrow, I go to work and do 16 hours. Yeah, that's the chicken I was telling you about, guys. Look at that. Somebody might think I fried.